Hi guys, yes. Since few days na lang kami dito sa Egypt. So, samahan niyo po ako mag-impake guys. Yes. Few days na lang kami. Papunta kami dito sa Hurghada, alis kami. Then, magstay kami ng 2 days sa Cairo. And then, bago kami mag-flight to Vietnam. So, impake. Samahan niyo ako mag-impake guys. Tara! Hi guys! Good morning! Yes, today we are in Cairo. So, magtutour tayo guys. Papuntahan natin yung pyramid. Yes. So, ang view pala namin dito sa room na nakuha namin is papakita ko sa iyo yung bagong museum ng Cairo. Napakalaki na museum. Papakita ko sa inyo sa bintana. Kasi yung pyramid, makikita naman siya daw dito. Pero kailangan mo pumunta doon sa rooftop. Pero dito sa bintana, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys. Tara! Yan guys, yan yung museum. Yan. Haba-haba.
For Cheops. Another tree small here, some from Macaroons. A front from this one, Sphinx. A front from Sphinx, temple for the Sphinx. And you go to the side, you see the graves and the cemetery. The graves and the cemetery, this for the people who work in the pyramid. When people die from here, is buried here. This for 2000 BC. Around the pyramids, after that we go to panorama view. From here to here, about 2 kilometers in the desert. When you go to panorama, you see all the pyramid in one straight line, like this photo. Around all this and come back here again.
Hi guys, now we are already in pyramid. We just bought ticket. So it's 700 pounds, Egyptian pounds each, the entrance fee for the visitors. So we will show you the pyramid now guys. Guys, look.
Just tell me.
Pyramid. Oh my god. I'm excited. Guys, ito na yung pyramid. Yay! Yes. Nanggaling na ako dito 6 years ago or 7 years ago, guys. So, ayan. Ayan na yung Sphinx. Ang ganda niya, guys. So, ayan, guys. Meron na kaming kabayo.
That's Carline 2 for tonight.
Ito na
I'm
kami
sorry.
sa kabayo.
Carline 2
Punta
for
tayo
night.
sa... Ayan. Pupunta na tayo sa... Pyramid.
This is not this camera, but
햇살이 너무 좋았어 그냥 모두 좋았어 널 만나서 모든 게 다 잠에서 깨어나서 휴대폰을 먼저 보게
main, the biggest one.
Yeah, this shuffle.
The biggest.
Yeah, big one. بالعربي name خوفو. This second one shuffle. بالعربي name غفرة. مكرينس منقرة. Street for the people walk for the burden. All that.
All of this is cemetery, yeah?
Yes.
Who
Me,
died?
my brother, and me here work by tip. This number for me every 10 times, just one time. All Egypt work by tip, you know that. Okay? This tip is for my heart.
Don't worry, we are agree about the box, yes?
Not for box, no problem.
The biggest pyramid, guys.
Inside the pyramid or just out?
Just out.
There's nothing from side.
Nothing inside.
Nothing. I was there.
Close.
I was there. Guys, all of these are cemetery. Dito nilibing yung mga workers dati na namatay. Yung mga workers ng pyramid. Ang dami nila. How many people died in this?
Only one room, about 100 people.
Oh, more.
Yeah.
In one room.
Yeah. One, 100 people.
One like this is 100 people.
Because you open the pyramid, very hard.
Very hard, no machine.
No machine, no anything.
How old are pyramids? 5,000 years?
No, 7,000 years.
7?
The pyramids, guys, is already 7,000
The bell,
years.
30 years. 30 years. The bell to the back.
Maybe I was the builder.
Guys, every room, every box of the guys, merong 100 na body na
Did
kapit
big Egyptian museum, yeah? Right. You not open here.
Not open?
그대가 곁에 있어서 언제나 오늘 곁길기도 해요 그대와 함께라는 건 영원한 축복 같아서 오늘도 널
Guys, here's the 9 pyramid. Yeah. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Kita mo yan ang 9 pyramids, guys. You can count on it. Guys, let's take video for 9 pyramids. Yeah. How cute. How nice. Yeah.
Did you see the coach, the blue one?
Yay!
Next to the
Guys, there's also the souvenirs and something. A lot of them. Yeah, punta tayo sa Sphinx, guys. Ang dami.
Stone, all these granite from Aswan, 1,000 kilometers far.
I know.
How coming here by boats over the river to this canal of the Nile River, Mademoiselle. See, this is the canal of the Nile River.
No interest here.
This is secret way, sir. Look at it. Oh, this is the secret entrance for the temple, and there is false entrance. And from here you can see the temple also. It is nothing inside, everything and the Egyptian museum.
Hello guys, pupunta tayo sa Sphinx ngayon. So, nandito na kami sa entrance. So, tingnan natin yung Sphinx. Yeah. Kanina medyo malaki, pero ngayon okay. Mainit. Guys, here's the Sphinx. Yeah. Welcome to the Sphinx. Daming tao. So guys, we just finished the Sphinx. We're going to another tourist spot. So, see you later guys. That's all for the pyramid videos. Bye!